Today we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first. So you just go here above this sign, click on it here, just click on it on your photo profile here. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just come here to newsletter here, click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's my newsletter here enable with us now. So that's all you have to do to enable it. So that's all I wish know you I give it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. So thank you for your watching.